For years, legacy language models operated strictly as passive responders. They sit completely idle on a server until a human manually inputs a prompt to trigger an execution. This creates a stateless architecture. These models possess no intrinsic memory of what happened before the current session. They process your query, generate a text string, and immediately return to zero, treating every single prompt as an isolated mathematical event. When you force a stateless model to handle a long, multi-step task within a single context window, it inevitably suffers from reasoning drift. The further it gets from the original instruction, the more its logical consistency degrades, often ending in loops or hallucinated outputs. Achieving reliable, autonomous automation requires abandoning this reactive chat window model entirely. An agent cannot complete complex workflows if it cannot maintain a persistent state. Creating that persistent state requires moving the execution environment off the local device and into centralized cloud infrastructure. This is the architecture behind Gemini Spark. It is a 24/7 personal AI agent that runs on a dedicated Google Cloud virtual machine. It is entirely decoupled from the power state of your laptop or the network connection of your phone. Hosting the agent on a dedicated VM ensures that long-running asynchronous executions continue regardless of external hardware factors. Your laptop can go to sleep or your phone can drop its signal, and the agent's background processing remains uninterrupted. Relocating the model to a persistent cloud VM is the foundational prerequisite for building AI that reliably executes workflows while the human operator sleeps. The processing power inside that VM comes from the Gemini 3.5 Flash reasoning engine. Developers control its logic depth using a specific parameter called thinking level, which toggles the model between deep multi-step planning and high-throughput execution. When orchestrating these complex workflows, the strict architectural best practice is to lock the model's temperature parameter at exactly 1.0. Lowering the temperature limits the model's token distribution, which causes logic looping and degrades performance during deep reasoning tasks. This diagram shows the mechanism Google uses to maintain context across those deep tasks: thought signatures. Right before executing an external tool call, the model generates an encrypted representation of its internal logic. By passing this signature back into the conversation alongside retrieved data, the system forces the model to resume its exact train of thought. Thought signatures provide the mechanical solution to reasoning drift. They allow the agent to pause, query an external database, and resume processing with complete mathematical reliability. This diagram illustrates the orchestration layer required to make that core reasoning engine useful. The Anti-Gravity 2.0 harness acts as an outer containment shell wrapped around the Gemini model, enforcing safety policies. To interact with the outside world, it uses the Model Context Protocol to establish secure tunnels to external software. MCP standardizes these connections. It links the agent natively to workspace apps like Docs and Gmail and extends to third-party enterprise tools, maintaining persistent connections without the failure rates of expiring OAuth tokens. An isolated Genius model generates text. The execution harness and its MCP tunnels grant that model agency in real-world data environments. Connecting to these environments exposes the fatal flaw of traditional language models. They return raw, unpredictable text strings. When an automated workflow feeds a conversational paragraph into a strict downstream software API, the system crashes. This visualization demonstrates how pedantic AI solves that problem through type-safe schemas. It forces the language model to adhere to strict Python type hints. When extracting a deadline, type safety guarantees the output is a computable timestamp or integer, preventing conversational sentences that break databases. Enforcing type safety is the invisible architectural bridge that separates unreliable consumer chatbots from production-grade autonomous enterprise systems. Google governs this entire architecture through a strict user-facing operational hierarchy. Users assign one-off jobs as tasks, define repeatable procedures as skills, and set recurring triggers using schedules. This graph maps out a professional workflow utilizing that hierarchy. A schedule triggers at 6 a.m., prompting Spark to parse an overnight email thread. Next, Spark synthesizes the notes into a Google Docs report. Finally, the agent drafts a follow-up email, holding it securely in the outbox for user review. This multi-app choreography executes entirely asynchronously. It proves the practical utility of combining dedicated VMs, thought signatures, and structured MCP tunnels. That level of asynchronous capability introduces a severe security liability. Granting an autonomous agent persistent access to an enterprise email account or a corporate credit card opens the door to catastrophic unforced errors. To mitigate this, the architecture enforces a hard division. Low-impact, reversible actions run silently in the background. High-impact, irreversible actions, like sending emails or spending money, trigger an automatic halt. Financial transfers are secured by cryptographic tokenization. The system physically locks high-impact transactions, ensuring the agent cannot execute a payment without secondary human authentication. Google implements this through the Halo interface on Android and the Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. These mechanisms demand an explicit human-in-the-loop signature before the execution harness releases the payload. Establishing an approval log review habit to manage these cryptographic checkpoints is the most critical operational skill required to deploy agentic AI safely at scale. This matrix compares the three dominant agent architectures. Google's approach relies on dedicated cloud VMs paired with native workspace integration. This contrasts with ChatGPT Agent, which provides a flexible but isolated cloud sandbox, lacking ties to a broader ecosystem. Both models differ from Microsoft Copilot, which restricts its execution environment strictly to the Microsoft 365 closed-loop corporate perimeter. An organization's choice of AI agent is no longer determined by which company trains the smartest language model. It is determined by which underlying execution infrastructure best matches their existing data perimeter. For a solo operator, the $100 monthly cost for a Google AI Ultra subscription equals roughly 2 hours of manual labor at a standard billable rate. When that subscription powers a stack of background schedules that automate inbox triage, prepare client digests, and draft lead responses, the system recovers 10 or more administrative hours per month. Establishing this specific ROI, reclaiming 10 hours for the cost of 2, shifts the professional workflow from manual retrieval to background delegation. Surviving this shift requires professionals to stop treating artificial intelligence as a reactive chat interface and start managing it as an asynchronous, stateful operating system.